Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can generate thumbnails for YouTube channel using ChatGPT. So for example, here I want to type write prompt to generate YouTube thumbnail. How to find clients for digital marketing business. Then press enter. So guys, here you can see ChatGPT generated a prompt. Now I can open a website Leonardo AI, and here you can see this is official website. And now click on get started and sign up with Google. So now I need to select my email account, then again click on continue button. Now I need to go back in ChatGPT and I can copy it and then accept terms and conditions. And then click on image creation. After that, here you can see type a prompt. Now you can paste the prompt here, then click on generate button. Now scroll down, here you can see AI is generating a thumbnail for you. So to generate unlimited thumbnails, you need to upgrade your plan. So guys, here you can see I got these thumbnails. So I can select one of these. For example, I want to use this one. And then here you can see on the bottom download button. So guys, here you can see images downloaded. Now let me go back to the YouTube channel. And after that I can edit this video and let me change the thumbnail. So now I can upload this image and then click on save button. In this way you can easily generate thumbnail for your YouTube videos.